Hey Paperlovers, welkom bij een nieuwe YouTube video voor hipkitclub. It's Josefine here with another process video, and I'm using the beautiful August kit from the hipkitclub, and I participated in the weekly challenge for Friday weekly challenge, and the challenge is work on a white background and use the peacock colors. So the peacock colors are the blue, green, orange and the yellow, and creating something like a sunburst effect. So I choose the beautiful papers from Vicky Boutin from the Color Studio, and I cut the pie chart colors, the green and the blue tones. And I want to use these on my layout. I draw a circle with my pencil, ruffle the edges with my distress etcher, and I place my pie charts in something like a circle. And when everything is in place, I erase the pencil line from the circle on my layout. I cut some orange paper to size and put it behind the photo, roughly edges, and here I erased the pencil line on my layout. I already cut some beautiful mandalas from the Page Evans design papers, and I used the orange colored mandala and the green blue mandala and ruffle the edges with my distress etcher. Draw a little bit of the petals and put it behind the photo, and I used 3D foam to attach these mandala to my layout. Here I draw a little bit of the petals so I get more dimension in my scrapbook layouts. I use some die cuts from the pocket page kit from the hipkitclub, and I want to use this title, Let's Go Play Outside, and here I use flowers that I also cut out from the design papers from the Vicky Boutin collection, and I love the black and white accents from the flowers between these beautiful blue, green and orange colors. So I play a little bit with flowers, and I love the black and white tones of these flowers between all these colors. And when I'm totally happy and every flower has found his spot on the scrapbook layout, I will decorate my page further with yellow origami butterflies that I made. So because the challenge is use the colors blue, green and orange and yellow, and I made yellow butterflies. So I will put a link in the description to another video that I made for hipkitclub from the product focus on the March kits, and in that video I explain how I made my origami butterflies. So are you curious how I made these gorgeous butterflies? Just check the link in the subscription to the video from the March hip kits, and in that video I explain how I fold my butterflies. So I looking for the right spot of these butterflies, and when the butterflies are in place, it's time to add um, some more title to another title and that I want to create on this layout with the orange alpha sets from the Simple Stories. I love this set from the Simple Stories, the alpha set from the Simple Stories Sun-Kissed collection. And the orange looks very great with the blue and the green tones. So I made a word the title Sweet Moments, and I decided to use some more alphas from other kits from the Hip Kit. And my title will be Sweet and Cute Moments. So I like to use different alpha sets from different hip kits and to combine the alphas with each other, and I like the effect of I like the effect of using different alpha sets together on one layout. So now it's time to make some ink splatters on my layout, and of course I want to use yellow for the green, yellow and blue color splatters. So I choose for the dye inks from Catherine Pooler. The colors that I use are limoncello and something borrowed, and these dye inks are from the August color kit, and I mix these beautiful dye inks colors and I splatter around using my watercolor brush. And when I'm done with all the splattering of these colors, I use some white acrylic ink from Martha Stewart's Crafts. The color is satin, and I mix it with a little bit of water and I splatter around all the white splatters on my page. Most of the time I made some white splatters on my pages because I love the effect of all these white splatters on my layout. So I had a lot of fun with this weekly challenge from the Hip Kit Club by using the beautiful August Hip Kits. Um, and there are more designers that create beautiful layouts with this weekly challenge. So don't forget to check the Facebook group and the blog for more beautiful inspiration of this weekly challenge from the hipkitclub. And I want to thank you for watching this video, and of course I hope to see you next time on YouTube. And for now, wish you a beautiful and crafty day, and I see you. Bye bye.